Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be cleaning my home office and I'm testing out a new product. So I wanted to show you guys the before and after. So if you're new here, my name is Vivi. I am a lifestyle blogger, and on this channel I do mostly haul and styling videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back. So if you're new and you enjoyed this video, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So today I will be cleaning this home office. It's so filthy. It's heavily stained, this white rug, and I was going to ask some professionals to come in, but I thought I should test out this new product. So I wanted you guys and I to test it out for the first time. So this is the kit. It's an easy brushing kit by Resolve, and this is pretty much for, you know, I guess pet owners, but you can also use it on areas that are like heavily stained, like heavy traffic areas. So since my office has a white rug, I thought I should give this a try. So I'm just taking everything out of the box to try to assemble it so we can get started. I mean, this is like easy as the instructions said. It's really easy to put together. So let's do it. So I'm going to fast forward this part of the video because I don't want it too long, and then I'll get back to you guys. As you can see, everything is assembled, ready to go, and I can't wait to scrub the dirt off this floor because it has been bothering me for days. I've called around to see if I can find local carpet cleaning agencies and stuff like that, but the prices are a little too high. So as you can see, I'm starting in the back where it's not heavily stained. So I'm just gonna scrub, work my way out from the back to the front. And yeah, so far I'm liking what I'm seeing so far, but I'm still keeping my finger crossed because I really want these this carpet come back to life. I just want it to look clean and shiny so I can do my haul tomorrow. So yeah, so when I call around in my local area, it was like $100 to $200. So I was just glad that I was able to find this product online. Went to Walmart, pick it up. It was only like $20. So far, as you can see, it looks like it's working. So I'm like really excited. So I'm just gonna play music and fast forward from this end. Alright, so here I had to put some saran wrap on my feet because I didn't want to dirty the rug. As you can see, oh my goodness, all the stains has come off. My rug look like new. It's so shiny. So after this, all I have to do is let it dry and then just run over it with a vacuum. I will show you guys everything. I'm doing the backup behind my door. It's not really, you know, that much of a stain there, but just to get everything covered. So yeah. looks good, thumbs up. And this is the dirt and everything else. I used up the whole can, so just heads up, you should probably get an additional one. This one came with the kit. So this is the brush. I'm going to go rinse it up, and that's it for today. All right, guys, so welcome to my office. As you can see, I cleaned this rug, and I am just so excited that it's clean. It's just the way I want it to be. I have a different setup in my office. I'll give you guys a full tour. I have to create some content, and this is why I cleaned my rug yesterday, so I can feel better working. I work better in a clean environment when everything is like put together. So yeah, so I have my tree up, as you guys can see. Today I have to do a haul for Venus. I'm not sure if the haul is gonna go up before this vlog, but I just wanted to show you guys a little behind the scene. This is me in my rope. I love this rope. I got it from H&M. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I just love the silkiness of it. I don't think it's silk, I think it's just satin, but it just feels so luxurious. And I got it in this color. I think that was the only color it came in. If it was in like all black and this mauve color, sort of like a trim, that would be nice as well. So I'm thinking about doing my nails, because you know, to look glam up, it's not complete without your nails being done, or your hair. So I just laid my hair. I was thinking about putting some tracks in to curl it, but then it would take too long. I'd have to get to filming this so I can at least have it up. This is me. I already did my makeup. And also I'm thinking, because I was sent this sweater, I already have these two pants from Venus, the white and the black. And in the winter time, or like around this time, the season, I really love an all white look. So at first I was thinking to wear this plush white sweater with the black jeans, but I think I'm gonna go for an all white look, because that's the vibe. And since, you know, pretty much the dresses are all black, I think that's the vibe I'm gonna be going with. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm thinking about, all right, so these are the earrings and jewelries that was sent to me on my previous collaboration with Venus. So that's what, this is what I will be pairing with those dresses. That's just my ring. Ooh, look at my Christmas decor. So I don't know if you guys seen my other vlog, Come Shop With Me. This is the table that I got from Ross. I love it. The marble effect, the gold trim. I'm gonna do a full home office tour so you guys can see where I get some of these items from and how I styled it in this room to create space. So yeah, so these personal nails are from Empress. I was thinking about doing these first, but these are a little too long. I mean, I like the longer nails when I don't have much to do, but I think for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go with the shorter version, because I just love it. It's not a whole lot, so I can keep it on for at least a week, and you know, take that off and maybe put that on because it's the season. And I'm just looking for anything that would get me to look glam up, no hassle, and easy. If that makes sense. But yeah, so I am going to do the nails now, and then I will get started with the haul. I will show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes, but if you see the haul before the vlog, then I don't know. Alright guys, so another shoot day with my twin Emily Love. I'm actually waiting on her right now. This is the location. It's in Delaware. It's like an hour 30 minutes away from where I live. So I got here a little early, so I'm going to try to put money in my meter. I'm actually using my husband's pickup truck. I always drive the pickup truck. Some money in the meter. Oh, I have 10 minutes in here already, so maybe I should just put a quarter. Okay, I think this is my meter. So in the meantime, I'm waiting for Emily Love. These are the aesthetics that we like to shoot at. Oh, the buildings. Beautiful aesthetic. Delaware, where the president's from. So, okay. And let me see if I can turn this camera around. So this is me. This, I already shot this look before. Oh. So I already shot this look. Just waiting on Emily Love. So I'm going to try to see if I can do a reels in this, and that's about it. And then I'll change. I have a quick campaign shoot that I have to do for Express. Such a blessing, seriously. So I'm just waiting for her to come right now so she can do this reels for me. And after the reels, I will be shooting the items that I picked from Express site. So I'll hopefully take you guys along so you can see a little bit of behind the scenes. But today is the shoot day, so I'm ready. Guys, we just got through second shoot. Look at Emily Love wearing JC Penney.
Doing the most.
I love that red jumpsuit. Ooh, look at that body though. All right, so we about to shoot another look, and I'll keep you guys posted. How you like this one?